expect more, and you can't expect any more than what you get here behind me with the all-new DS320. This is the largest floor plan at this price point that can sleep up to 10 campers depending on their size. There is a ton to go over, so I want to get started here on the exterior and point out some unique features specific to this floor plan from Pioneer. Moms are gonna love what I'm about to point out. By having this second door, your little campers have direct access to the bathroom. So again, whether you're going to your destination and you have to stop to use the restroom, you'll be able to do so without those slide boxes being an issue. Also, when you're at the campsite, keep that hard work that you've put together in there in the floor plan clean. When you're at your destination and all your little campers are hungry, take full advantage with the DS320 with this very large outdoor kitchen. Very modern, updated residential style cabinetry with these nice roller glides that will operate very smoothly. You've got a dorm style refrigerator, you're gonna have hot and cold water, and the ability to grill with your LP disconnects right here in this area. Low point drain connectors are all brass, they are not plastic. These have to close completely to build up pressure in the system. Typically every winter you're gonna winterize. When you come to de-winterize in the spring and go on those first trips, if these fittings are plastic, they will be damaged, they will be cracked. So right off the bat, you have to fix them to go to your destination. So Pioneer made it standard that these are all brass, so you don't have to worry about that. You'll be able to build up pressure, you'll be able to winterize, de-winterize, and have your coach work the way it's supposed to. This gate has a 200-pound load capacity. Now, depending on where you're going camping, you're typically going to need that firewood locally. And when you do, there's bugs, debris, you don't want that in your coach. So this is nice metal grate here that can allow all of what you don't want to drop away on your way to that destination, but great utility that you are getting as standard from Pioneer. The bunk room in the DS320 sleeps 5 campers. This is, without question, the biggest bunk room that I have seen in any floor plan. You've got 2 cube sofas. These will both, of course, fold out. Then you have a teddy bear bunk above that here on the slide box. Notice you have a lot of room where you'll find 2 additional teddy bear bunks, giving you an entertainment cabinet with a lot of cubbies, an integrated ladder. It's going to be prepped for TV, and you will also have power. So bring those smart devices, maybe those accessory items like that PlayStation 5. You have full utility back here. Big windows, and both of these windows will open. So when you have your 5 campers back here, they'll be able to be comfortable without relying on an AC running. These windows being open will help cool this coach. This looks very residential. You have shiplap on both sides of this slide box. In terms of utility, this U-shaped dinette, not only is it going to seat a lot of campers, you have storage around the entire perimeter. Under every seat, you have storage. This, of course, will collapse down for another location for your guests to sleep. You have USB charging here. You have massive windows that span this entire slide. All of these windows will open. Notice, no carpet, marine grade woven fabric. It's going to mitigate against odor, debris, very durable. In this couch, you can seat 2 comfortably with integrated cup holders. Also, will accommodate seating for 3. Also, if you need storage, you have storage underneath the seating. And yet, very easily, you have another location for your campers to sleep. With Pioneer, you can expect more. Let's start here with the appliances. Microwave, standard. 3-burner stove with glass top, standard. 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. It has a chalkboard surface. A lot of little campers like to doodle. Maybe you have to remember everything you have to get, food, groceries. You can write that all down here very easily. Pioneer is giving you a solid surface countertop, double bowl stainless steel sink, a high-rise faucet. Many times when you're looking at a coach in the kitchen, you don't have a big cabinet door where you can put a trash can. Here, you do. You have a massive window. Yes, it's nice that you get natural light. Yes, it's nice that this window will open to give you cool breeze. What's really nice is, remember, this is on the campsite under the awning. So while you're preparing those meals for all of your little campers, you'll be able to even communicate and watch what's going on at the campsite. Let's talk about your entertainment cabinet. Storage up top, all the way down to the bottom. This cabinet has been raised, so now you have a location to put everybody's sneakers so you don't have to worry about stepping on them walking throughout this floor plan. You're going to have the TV prep, you have the outlet here for your power. This radio is a big upgrade in 2021. Not only is it Bluetooth, so you can listen to your music here or at the campsite outside, it's going to have pass-through HDMI as well as USB. Let's say your campers want to bring the PlayStation out here to the bigger TV. You can simply set it in this cubby here, take that HDMI cord, plug it into the face of the radio, and it will project onto the TV seamlessly. Typically, when you see the TV console set up in this configuration, you'll see curtains. But with Pioneer, they're giving you 2 doors for privacy. And when you come into the master suite, when I talk about it, you actually have enough room to walk around the perimeter of the queen-size bed and make that bed with ease. You have nightstands on both sides of a true 60 by 80 queen-size bed. You have a large shelf that goes the whole length of the 60 inches. What I love here that they've integrated is in each closet, you've got not only lighting, you also have outlets, you also have pass-through. So if you have a CPAP machine, if you want to charge your phone at night, you don't have to keep opening and closing this door. You have these large pass-through bays to access everything that you need to at night when you are at rest. If you have questions, ask us, the manufacturer, at heartlandrvs.com.